Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to get games on Steam for free. Now there are two separate ways, I'm going to show you both. Now let's get right into it. The first thing of course is open up your Steam application or the web-based Steam version. Now from here what you want to do is you want to head into the store right here, and from there you scroll all the way down till you browse by genre. Now inside these genres there's a load of genres to choose from. We're going to the free-to-play version. Now here you can see a load of free-to-play games. As you can see right here, there's Halo for example, or the trial from Age of Empires 3. And here are certain games that are actually quite cool to play and they're totally free. Now the second one, it's not very efficient, but it gets the job done. Now let's say you found a game that you want to play for free. Now we're going on to a game that is paid. Now let's say we want to go for the Counter-Strike Source, for example. Now from here, what you want to do is you want to actually add it to your cart. From there you want to view your cart. From there you want to pay the game, and what you want to do after that is simply head down to your wallet, and inside your wallet you have a load of stuff to choose from, and you see your current balance right here. Now what you could also do is go to the account details. And here you have your purchase history. Now inside the purchase history you see the recent game that you just bought, and if you didn't play the game for longer than half an hour, you can refund the game. So you can play the game for half an hour for free, and from there get a refund on your Steam balance. Now it's very easy, just go into the purchase history, find the game that you just played for half an hour, make sure that it doesn't extend the half an hour, and from there you can get a refund of the given game. Now if this tutorial helped you, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.